Hi, in this video we'll talk about how you can check if your Spectrum internet is down. Watch the video until the end to learn how to do this and more. To check for a Spectrum outage, follow any of these steps. First, contact customer service by calling 1-833-267-6094. The number is in the description. This will inform you whether your area is experiencing an outage or any other issue. Second, check the Spectrum website by visiting spectrum.net. The link is in the description. Log in to your Spectrum account. Once logged in, click the Chat with Us button, type "Am I in an outage?" and wait for the virtual assistant to respond. Third, open the My Spectrum app and select Services Wait as the equipment automatically detects any connection issues. A green check mark indicates everything is fine, while a red exclamation point means there is a connection problem. This app is available on the Google Play Store, and you can follow the link in the description to download it. So there you have it. Checking for a Spectrum outage is that easy. Thanks for watching. Till next time.